Okay, I still have time. Maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna do a quick vlog. Lockdown na din dito sa amin, sa place namin. How many days? Like 3 days already when start lockdown here, right, honey? He said, I'm not concerned, I'm busy. He's fixing his bike. So anyways, back to work. Today is Friday. And yeah, it's lockdown here in our place already. And a little bit scary going to work. Counter a lot of different peoples. Because you never know. Because of what's happening right now, it is really scary. But anyways, just be safe. I'm trying to avoid touching my face with my hands, not washing my hands. So I'm trying to avoid that and keep washing my hands and do sanitizer. And yeah. The weather is gloomy. Oh, there's 2 squirrels. It's gonna be a quick vlog, guys, because I don't have time to do a. I just wanted to do a really quick vlog. So yeah, there you go. He's fixing his bike. So there's a squirrel outside the backyard. We'll see if I can capture it for you. Oh, it's so adorable. Innocent squirrel. Hi. Do you want more food?
Of course I do.
It's so cute. So ayun nga. Sobrang nakakatakot. Hindi ka na pwedeng pag tawag dito tayo. Pag wala kang trabaho, hindi ka na pwedeng lumabas unless na may trabaho ka na may letter silang, yung workplace mo may letter na ibibigay sa'yo, yung parang pass. Yun, pwede kang makalabas kasi papasok ka nga naman, kailangan mo yung letter na yun. Sa work namin binigyan kami ng letter, yung parang bond paper lang ng nagsasabing yung place na work namin allow na. Yun nga yung letter. Paano ba explain yun? Yung letter na ipapakita mo lang sa sa checkpoint o sa police na pag nakitang nasa labas ka. So ayun. Anong oras na ba? 27. So ayun. Walang masyadong kaganapan. Ayun, nakakatakot na nga yung ngayon, kumakalat na yung mga virus ngayon, nakakatakot na, hindi natin alam kung sino yung nakakausap natin or nakakaano natin, lalo na sa tinatrabahuhan ko kasi iba-ibang tao yung nakakasalamuha ko. And then yun pa nga yung kinakatakot ko minsan pag busy sa store, tinatawag, tumutulong ako mag-cashier, pag-cashier, diba, sobrang lapit lang ng tao sa'yo, at saka halimbawa pag nag-sneeze o nag-cough sila, yun yung nakakatakot dito. Nakakatakot talaga. Dry na nga yung kamay ko sa kakahugas ng kamay. Sobrang dry na. So, yun.